Good morning, Rose fam. Welcome back to another video. We got a lot going on in today's video. We've got some cleaning, some cooking, some amazing new wall art that I found for the two spaces that I'm currently working on in our home, and I'm excited for you guys to see that. But you know what? First things first, once we get out of bed, we need to make this bed up. I have so many fun little enhancements, upgrades, new added home decor for our bedroom that I am excited to share with you guys. So if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to all so you never miss an upload. Hey y'all. Alright, so we made our beds, you guys, and we are interrupting this cleaning to do a little bit of shopping. So I am at, can you guys see it? Let's see if you can see it. No, yep, you can see it. We're going to Home Goods, you guys. Let's go. It's such a beautiful day. All I hear are birds. You guys can hear it. They're just chirping. You hear it. It's so beautiful out today. So I wanted to get out for a few minutes, and then I'll probably pick Ty and I up some Chick-fil-A. But right now, let's go get some Home Goods therapy. You know, when you stay home, you can definitely not be in the mindset of the seasons ahead of when they come. But you guys, when you go into these stores, they are packed with seasons way before they get there. So when I went into Home Goods, I was definitely feeling spring. I was getting so many ideas for what I want to do with our front yard. One of the things that I do want to do is get a birdhouse, and I think I was talking with Ty even last year or the year before that I wanted to get one and put it in our tree, and they had some really cute little bird houses. Hi.
Good morning. Can I get a name for the order?
Rose?
For Rose?
Mm-hmm.
What can we start for you?
May I have a number 1 medium with a lemonade light ice? Number 3 8-count medium with a Dr. Pepper light ice.
Alright, and yes?
Ketchup, honey mustard, and mayonnaise.
Yes.
That's it? No.
So I have 2 number 1.
Oh, y'all, I had too much going on. Ty's calling me. I'm ordering, trying to film. Y'all, that was a lot. Anyway, I did not film anymore in Home Goods because Home Goods literally took me down through there. I had to run out of Home Goods. I saw so many things. I usually don't see that many things. Like, I'll see a thing or two in there, but every time I turned around, it was, oh my God. And there's this lamp in there. It was $129, and I had to pry myself away from it. I think I only did because it was one. Because baby, if there were 2 of those, that would have been coming home with me. So I did enough damage as it is. I got 2 pictures. I got one for the loft and one for our bedroom that I can't wait to show you guys. Hi. Thank you.
My pleasure. You're all set.
All right. Have a good one. Thank you. I was gonna go to, it's so beautiful out here, you guys. It's 61 degrees and it feels so good. I don't think I want to go that way. It feels so good outside. I was gonna go to the Lowe's, but I'm pretty tired after Home Goods, so I'm gonna go ahead and go home. I already spent way too much money in Home Goods anyhow, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. Oh, y'all, ain't even got my seatbelt on. What is really happening? Hold on, hold your horses. All right, y'all, I had to click it or ticket. Anyway, I'm gonna go home. I'm excited to show you guys the wall art that I chose for the loft. Can you say badass? Can you say badass? Oh my god, I'm envisioning it under that light. I guess I could have gone that way. Dang, why didn't I? I guess it's kind of the same. No, I definitely think I'm gonna do a U-turn and go that way. I think. I guess it's fine. I'll see where I'm at. Anyway, you guys, I can't wait for you guys to see this wall art. And I picked up two, actually. One for our bedroom because the vibe in there is just giving me what I picked up. So we're gonna see with that. I gotta make some changes. And it's gonna go, I think, where the pictures of hubby and I are, so I gotta find another. Actually, I think I'll move those to a different location, so it'll be fine. But this picture gotta go up there. It's got to go up there. So anyway, I'll see you guys at home. Alright, fam, I'm home. Tyler's got his food already, but I got a lemonade because you guys know, if you don't know, it was a year yesterday that I stopped drinking Pepsi, but I still keep it because Tyler and my husband still drink it. But, hey, baby.
Please.
Huh?
You open my case,
Yeah.
please.
Let's see.
Wait, it's in the shape of a little bottle.
Let's just cut it, and then you can squeeze it. And then just squeeze it off the top.
Ooh.
Be careful.
Okay.
Love you too.
Thank you.
Anyway. Okay. Hold on, y'all. Let me get that. Alright, fam, while I was on the phone, I decided to show you what I got from Chick-fil-A. And once again, Ty already has his food. Alright, fam, I am done eating, but I wanted to show you what I got for. This is for the loft. Oh my gosh, you guys. I absolutely love this one so much. It's 100% handcrafted canvas. And then it has like a black frame that has like the wood design in it. And then this is canvas. It is so beautiful. Let's see what this says. Our talented artists create each painting completely by hand, making each a masterpiece, rich with beautiful, unique textures and a gallery quality finish. I love that so much. And then this one is from Park Lane Gallery. So beautiful. 26 by 32. It's called Linen Dark Black 1. And here is the little emblem. And this 100% hand painting is a fully textured piece of artwork, with each brushstroke being an authentic expression of the artist's hands, designed in Canada. And this is who did it. This is so beautiful, you guys. Wait, I don't know if you guys can see it because of the sun, so let me go this way with it so you can see. Here you go. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. So let me put you guys on a tripod so I can talk to you a little better. All right, y'all. I don't think anything I just showed you guys recorded. But anyway, I was saying that we have the gallery wall right here. Now, the picture's beautiful. I really don't want to hide it behind a wall, but I don't have like a lot of wall space that I can really put this on because the walls are kind of like either weird or covered with something. Like I can't put it right here because this is here and I don't want it too high. I don't have, really this is the only place if I put it in a bedroom. So let me show you guys what it'll look like. And you guys can let me know what you think. So it would go right here. Okay, you guys let me know what you think. But that's where I'm thinking, and I'll have to rearrange our gallery wall to make sure that we still have it in our bedroom. So let me know what you think about that. I'm going to put this other one upstairs, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. The other place I want to see if I might put it is right here. So let me show you guys that as well. What do you guys think? I think I actually like it here. I think I actually like it right here. I think I actually like it there because I was going to get something more substantial for that wall, and I think that might be it. So, all right, let me put my brain cells together and see what I want, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. All right, y'all. I fell asleep. I was so tired. I fell asleep for about 20 minutes, actually. I'm about to vacuum this floor really quick because it's dirty. And let's use you. Tomorrow, Saturday, when we do the, our Saturday cleaning and changing sheets. So that is tomorrow. But I'm going to go ahead and get ready to vacuum this floor really quickly. right, fam, I wanted to show you guys what I ended up doing with the pictures. So remember, I had two. So the one with the glass is in our bedroom. I changed some things up, so let me show you guys really quick. All right, so there she is right there. Okay, so I took down the Mr. and Mrs. I kind of rearranged everything a little bit. Much more simple and cozy and homey. I put the flower in the middle for now. And then over here is where the picture is. Oh, I absolutely love it. There is some changes coming to the headboard area. And over here, I just have a couple pictures of hubby and I. Since I had the gallery wall over there and I had to take it down, and then a couple of us right here. So I love it so much. It looks very cozy. So there is that. Now let me take you guys upstairs so that you can see the loft. All right, you all, this is the picture. Oh, I tell you what, I don't think there is a better picture for that space. It is so beautiful. So beautiful there. I will be changing this out to a hutch. So you'll see that. But look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. We need a close-up of the picture. I think I did show you guys a picture earlier. But it is so beautiful. Hello, Rose fam. Are we on? Yes, we are on. All right, well, we took yet another break from cleaning to do some grocery shopping. So I'm going to share with you guys a grocery haul from Smith's. It was $280. So let's get into it. All right, well, we'll start over here. So I got two of my mucho mango. I got some sharp cheddar cheese. I did get some aged sharp white cheddar for sandwiches. Some of the imperial butter. Some peach punch. Some swai. This is the fish that we like to eat. Some Welch's grape, a fruit punch, another fruit punch. Some salt and vinegar chips, some of the cafe style Fiesta chips. We already have some dip, so we just needed the chips. Some basmati rice, some black beans, cornbread mac and cheese for Ty, some caramel macchiato creamer for me, Tonight, hubby and I will have some crab legs and lobster. So I bought a Caesar salad that we can eat with that. These are mushrooms, tomatoes, and one green pepper. I think these are Roma tomatoes. 2 more boxes of the sausage patties that I like to cook to rotate hubby's lunch between bacon and sausage. I got these Boboli crust pizzas. I'm going to be making 2 of these for Ty for dinner. He doesn't eat crab legs, so I'll be making that for him. Some shoestring fries, some more ramen noodles. I got 3 rice pilaf and 1 cilantro lime. I got some Gorilla Glue for a project. I dreaded getting these Hershey's Kisses because I will see a bunch of little silver tinsel in the garbages upstairs. So yeah, I got some honey roasted cashews for hubby. I got actually 4. He's eating 1. I didn't make Kobe's food yet, so I wanted to grab some of these. I'll probably make it tomorrow or latest Monday, but I wanted to have these as a backup for if I'm not able to make his foods, because we do mix the dry food with something else. So I got some of the 85% lean ground turkey, some of the Nature's Own perfectly crafted multigrain bread, some of the sandwich rolls. I like to keep milk on hand, so I got some 2%. I think the other one is still actually good till, gosh, I can't remember. I think it's still actually good, but anyway, ketchup, some spray butter, some hazelnut creamer for hubby, some more mayo, some Vienna fingers, some red vines for hubby, Kit Kat, Reese's Pieces go in our candy dish. These are my favorite, Verona strawberry cookies, some Airheads for Ty, 2 more big. You guys will never see a grocery haul without chips in it because Ty is literally potato chip bandit. So some eggs. I got some pork steaks, some chicken thighs, some cracked pepper turkey breast for sandwiches, and pastrami. I did get 2 ribeyes as well, and I think that was it. And again, crab legs and lobster tail. So alright fam, I need to get this stuff put away, and it is almost 6 o'clock, so I gotta start dinner. All right, fam. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of ASMR. I don't know. I love hearing it. I don't know what it does, but anyway, it is time to get dinner ready. So Tyler doesn't eat seafood, so I am going to make him a couple of the little pan-sized pizzas, and I do like to put cheddar on our pizza as well as mozzarella. Leave in the comments below if you only use mozzarella or do you actually put cheddar on it too. So I wanted to just hop on and say, if you guys use these salad kits, what I found was the key, because if you eat it right away, then it tends to be a little bit more dry, especially if you like a lot of dressing. I add just a little bit to it because I don't want it soggy, but I let it sit a little bit before we actually eat it so that the lettuce can soak in with the dressing.
I ain't tryna bother. You're moving me in all the right ways.
Alright, so tonight on the menu for hubby and I are crab legs and some lobster tail. It's been a little while since we sat down at the table and had some seafood together, or at the table period. So I thought tonight would be a good night. So I found our big pot and I'm just going to be washing it out with a little bit of bleach. And then I'm going to add the crab legs and the lobster in to boil.
I wanna go down, but damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. Yeah, girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. Yeah. Your body's out in motion, like a Mona Lisa come to life. Pin you on my wall and pull you back down. Watch you slide down and let me drink you in. Oh, selfish lovers drink for free. Spin you around my glass and watch you fall down. Pull you back down. But damn it feels good when
So I don't know about y'all, but when I eat crab legs, I make a whole mess. The crabs flick everywhere. Hands watery, dripping. It's just a whole hot mess. So I'm clearing off the dining room table, and then I'm going to get a Lysol wipe and just wipe it down from, the dust. I've been doing construction, and you know how that goes. You're wiping forever. Hubby did change out the air vent, so it is a little bit better, but still lingering on some of the items. So I'm going to go ahead and get the table wiped down.
Oh, so good, so good. So damn, it feels good when you jump on it. Scars on my chest like you own it. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it, if you want it. Yeah, girl, we don't even have to stop it.
All right, so Ty's pizza is ready, so I'm going to go ahead and get both of these cut in fours. It just depends on what he's eating for the day or what time of night. Most of the time he eats 2 of these. Tonight I think he only ate 1, so the other one I did put into the refrigerator.
Yeah, girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it. If you want
It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries.
All right, so dinner was delicious. We are both nice and full. And now it's time to get this mess cleaned up. So I am going to get everything taken off the table. I like to save the brown kind of paper that the crabs come in, just so that I can, wrap everything up and it doesn't smell, and then I throw it in the garage. So I did pick up this, I think it's vinegar and eucalyptus multi-purpose cleaner. I picked that up from Marshall's, and it actually smells pretty decent. You don't have the pungent smell of vinegar, but you get the benefits of cleaning with vinegar, and I think that the eucalyptus kind of, took care of that. So I'm gonna get the table wiped down because, y'all, I was a whole mess. My husband ate neater than me, and then once I'm done, I actually have to vacuum under the table for anything that might have fallen. I am just putting back the place setting on the table, and then I will move over to the kitchen and get the countertops cleaned off and the dishes washed.
To your past, yeah. Get out, get under, and just relax. And that's what my friends are telling me. I wish it was easy, but it's not easy.
Y'all, crab legs and the mess behind it can be so overwhelming, but I have developed my own little system. It's so funny. When Brent and I used to get together, we still do occasionally, and eat crab legs. It's like each of us had a job and we got it knocked out super quick.
Melody, my heart is just another melody. Oh, so before I get over you, I'm gonna sing it now. Just another melody. I need to get it off my mind. Oh, before it devours all my energy.
our microwave has a soften butter and a melt butter feature, and I did use that, and I used the cover, but it still got on the dish at the bottom. So I just took this opportunity. It didn't like splatter all over the microwave because I did have the cover, but I took this opportunity to go ahead and wipe the microwave out. It did actually need it, and I went and used the vinegar and eucalyptus solution, but I went in again with my Zep degreaser to get the edges clean.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe.
All right, fam, so we got a ton of greasy dishes to take care of. I couldn't put them in the dishwasher like I normally would because it was actually running a cycle. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my dish strainer at the top, and I'm also just going to use the towel, spread it on the counter so that I can get the other dishes washed, and then I will use a paper towel and dry them all off and put them away.
Crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy. My cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Hello, babe, snuggle.
If you are new to the Rose Fam and you wondering what I keep spraying out of that green bottle, with every time that I wash the dishes, I use a bleach and water mixture that's in that bottle. And my loyal Rose Fam, I know it's a different bottle. I haven't found a bottle that was cute. Actually, cute or not cute, they just don't hold up to how often I spray the bleach. Alright, fam, I finished putting those away, and y'all, I didn't even wait for this to finish drying. I just threw the stuff in the cabinet, wiped off what needed to, but most of them were dry. It was in that phase of drying cycle, drying time. But y'all, I was so tired. I just wanted to get this dishwasher emptied because I know that my family would want to use it, and I was just ready to go to bed. And of course, we're going to give the stove a really quick wipe down. It didn't have very much, cooking on it to make a mess. It's just the pot that had the crab legs and maybe some crumbs from the pizza. So I'm just going to go ahead and get that wiped down with a paper towel. Now that the kitchen is all clean, the last thing I want to do is get the kitchen the dining room and the family room vacuumed for any crumbs for the day. I love to do that at night so that we go to bed with a clean house. I'm especially doing the dining area for any pieces of crap that may have escaped and landed on the floor. But we are nearing the end of this video, and if you did enjoy it, please remember to hit a like. And if you also enjoyed it and are not subscribed, I would love to have you join our wonderful Rose fam. We have a great community over here, and I just love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.